everyone! Today is the second day ng aking basic makeup workshop. I am here today with this guy. Kumakain po siya mga kaibigan kasi nagutom siya ng bonggang-bongga. Tingin ko sumama lang siya sa akin para kumain. Oh, with the coffee. We still have 1 hour so kumain mo siya sa 7-Eleven. So, gutom na daw siya. And dala-dala niya yung kanyang assignment. Gagawin niya mamaya while waiting for me. Okay, so later, let's try again to do some videos kung meron tayong chance na makapag-film sa loob while doing the workshop. Sana. And yeah, see you later. Ang aga namin dumating, nandito na kami ngayon sa building, sa sofa. And mag-review muna kami kasi may exam si Hans bukas and assignment. So, while waiting kasi mga 5:20 pa lang yata. So, yan. Review muna. Ito pala yung kabilang area na sofa, guys. So, ito yung papuntang Makati. Buendia. Or, ano po yan?
Tama naman, mabait sila. Hindi naman. Hindi sila nag-end. Ano ba sila? Binigyan ka siya ng tamang measurements eh. I'm gonna use Studio Fix, pero this is full coverage. So I want to thin it out a little bit. Di ba tinanong mo sa akin yung stroke cream? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it with a bit of stroke cream, which will, kasi very matte to eh, and very heavy. Thin it out a bit and give it a bit of a glow.
So, that's it for today. See you again sa third session.